What's up, everybody? Today it's time to change the light in front of me around here because this guy, it cost me a fortune on battery, and that's the one we buy on Wish for $1.50. So it's time to change. Let's go. What exactly I did some research on YouTube to see what kind of light YouTuber they're using for those video, and the brand I found was Neewer. What exactly we're going to do? We're going to open it and try it. Okay, I have my knife, so let's open it. Okay, the model, it's supposed to be PL100B. And manual instruction, a small pamphlet for reading, small cable, wow, really small, and the light. Supposed to have 64 LED. We have three places if we want to place a microphone or anything. You know something? Let's charge it and come back. The sad thing is the cable is too short. It's 7-inch long, and what I found, the good thing, it's they're using a USB-C cable. So what I did, I used my cell phone cable, I plug it in, and now I'm letting charging. What I did, I opened my LED stripe and I put it on the color blue for now, just to show you the room. And now we're going to open the newer light. I forgot to mention, my cell phone is roughly 3 feet in front of me. We're going to put it all the way up. They said this light all the way up like that, it's good for 2 hours working time. But for now, forget it, it's too bright. I'm going to put it all the way down, et voila. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment. And see you on the next one.